Good morning, everybody. I wanted to show you what I had needed to do today. See all these little signs? They all need to be fixed. So I'm going to go ahead and repaint them with the chalk paint. I've found that the spray chalk works much better because when you start streaking it on, it has grooves in it, so it's rougher. And so when you start spray painting it, you get a smooth finish. And then that way I can use that for my shows. And also I want to talk about these that I have on the table. They're called rocket risers, and I have a bad back, so this right here has really helped me. And here it is right here, the rocket risers, and I just got them off Amazon and they have really helped. But of course all you really need is some PVC pipe and some little rubber feet, and they would work great. So this is what I use. I use the rust-oleum chalkboard paint, and I bought 2 of them. Usually 2 of them will do all the signs. Every so often I do a bunch of these at a time, and I'll lay them out on plywood, I lay them out on plastic or drop cloths, whatever. And if you want to, you can put the painter's tape around it, but really I don't care because I'm always changing signs and needing different signs. So this works out great. And these are old when I did tape up the sides. Now, like I said, I don't even worry about it. I just go for it. And these all work great. And now I found these at Michael's like right now. So these I can lay this way or I can turn up. So these will be great for that. And all I do, shake the can really good, pop the top, and start spraying. So let's start. Basically, I got all these done with 1 can, completely sprayed, and almost went around twice. So, and this time, I've gone through 2 cans in one whole setting because I've had more signs. But this time I was able to keep some of the signs. So now, once they're all spray painted and done, you can take some of the Sharpie, not Sharpie. There's a chalk marker, that's what they're called, chalk markers, and then write on them, and then I just make all my little signs for the farmer's market, and it works out great. Thanks, and I hope you have a good day.